We're making delicious banana loaf.
The things you're gonna need are 125 grams of butter, a pan, 150 grams of caster sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, 2 bananas, 190 grams of self-raising flour, milk, and that's it.
So first you're going to need to get 125 grams of butter and put it in a pan to melt it. Put the pan onto a low heat so it melts the butter, and measure out 150 grams of caster sugar. Then add it to the pan with the butter in it, and then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So maybe do it over the pan just in case you spill any. Keep it on a low heat and stir it so it melts slowly. You're going to have to crack an egg into a cup and whisk it with a fork. Make sure there's no shell in it. Once it's melted, take it off the heat and add the egg. Then mix the ingredients together. You're gonna now mash 2 bananas, but we put an extra one in for extra taste, because the tastier the better. By the way, just in case you're wondering, the riper the better for these bananas. So yeah. Now you're gonna put the sliced up banana into the pan with all the other ingredients. You stir the ingredients around. Measure out 190 grams of self-raising flour. Then pour the flour into the mixture. And it doesn't matter if you have some banana on you. Then mix it around. Then add 2 dessert spoons of milk. Stir it around for a wee bit, and this should be the consistency. Then push some baking paper into a loaf tin. Then pour the mixture into the loaf tin. This is my top tip that makes this banana loaf special. Slice up some banana. Now you're gonna add the banana onto the top of the loaf, the banana that you've sliced up. Make sure it's thin. Finally, you're gonna want to sprinkle some dark brown sugar, and that really gives it spedazzle. Now pop the loaf into the oven at 170 degrees for 35 minutes, but we find sometimes it takes us a bit longer. Thank you for watching my first ever baking video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. This is a recap of the ingredients you need to do this, to make this banana loaf.